I need to be working in 20 minutes, but I really wanted to share with you what I do for meal prep. So today was my meal prep day. It is a Friday, usually meal prep on the weekends, just depending on when I'm working. I'm going to get 5 meals for $20. I usually shop at Kroger and Sam's Club. So I just wanted to share, hope you like. I'm gonna try to do this every weekend. Tell me some recipes you'd like me to make. And this is a Mediterranean healthy meal to help you reverse the aging process. Alrighty, so for breakfast, I always eat Greek yogurt. I cannot stand plain yogurt. So this is vanilla flavored. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon for the antioxidants. And I'm gonna add 2 scoops of collagen for my skin. Lovely, lovely. You definitely wanna watch my anti-aging skin video also. Alrighty, for lunch, I always just spend more time on lunch. I work evenings, so I food prep for my evening meal. I do make my salads every day. You could also flip this order, but I do like to eat my carbs at night. I just find that very helpful for weight loss. So this baby is amazing. It took me 10 minutes to put together. This is obviously going to be for tomorrow, and it's mixed greens, peppers, tomatoes, Kamada olives. Sometimes I'll add some goat cheese. It's got some boiled egg. I love anchovies. It makes it taste so savory. Chickpeas. Oh, it's so yum and amazing. Love it. I'm going to top it with extra virgin olive oil using mustard squeezer. It makes your life a whole bunch easier. So this week's recipe, I do a whole foods natural diet. Want to watch my 8 healthy habits. And that's what I do to look young. I'm 135 pounds. I will be almost 60 way too soon. Way too soon, but I do think my diet and my exercise and my lifestyle is helping me to reverse the aging process. So I just found these noodles at Kroger. They were like $3 a bag. Again, this meal is $4 a meal. I am going to store it in these little Rubbermaid storage containers, rectangular, store so nicely in the refrigerator. And so I boiled up 1 pound of pasta. I sometimes just whatever pasta I'm in the mood for. I put about 1/3 of a stick of butter in there just to keep them separated. I added some salt, some sea salt, and oregano, basil, and a little hot pepper to keep it spicy. Alrighty, now this recipe will be in the description below. It was just super easy peasy, organic chicken sausage sauteed in olive oil. Removed it to a different plate. I don't show my food videos because I started in food videos and it didn't work for me. And then I went ahead and added 3 to 4 zucchinis, sliced nicely, half a red onion, 2 peppers, a red pepper and a yellow pepper, or whatever colored peppers that you prefer, just not green. Green just, wrong taste. 5 cloves of garlic, finely minced, and also some fresh tomatoes. You could use diced tomatoes from a can. I just happen to have some fresh tomatoes already ripe on the counter already. So I got all that together. I added about a half cup red wine, some tomato paste. So this was super easy peasy. It literally took me an hour, which is good because I need to be at work in 10 minutes. I just like to do that, right? So anyhow, this is for work tonight. I would find it's advantageous to keep the pasta separate from the meat sauce, just because, I don't know, that it just tends to get a little weird and funky. Just do this right before you leave for work, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those bad boys in there. So at night, I wanna make sure that I'm getting plenty of carbs because I need my energy at night. I'm going to top it off. Love this cheese from Sam's Club. It's $9 for a huge bag. Almost 2 pounds of shaved Romano cheese. It's just really nice quality there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more to this meal. Alrighty, so at the end of the night, as I'm driving home at 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm gonna go ahead and eat some fresh citrus. So Citrus is so healthy for you. So this is just some cuties and some blackberries. Try to keep it just nice and easy peasy. Alrighty, this is what I'm doing for this week. Next week, I wanted to go comfort food. I'm gonna do beef stew, so you definitely wanna hit that notification bell. I'm gonna try to do these videos on the weekends to give you ideas how to be healthy, to live your absolute best, how to be healthy and live your absolute best life. And friends, I just wish you peace, love, and joy this week.